Amazon forest ki.
I said 23 over 9.
It was very nice actually. ఇది సిటీలో మనకు దొరకదు.
This type of concept should will be it's a primary home concept.
How did you like the ATV ride?
That's what I felt like I'm in a safari.
With my friends and with you, obviously, like it was a great experience, and this would be an ideal place for me to grab a bunch of friends with the sunset together, hanging out. It gives out like elegant vibes.
ఇక్కడ రండి, ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేయండి, సో మీకు వేరే ప్రపంచంలో ఉన్నట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది మీకు.
Yeah, for me it's actually an amazing experience, especially the sunset view. Actually seen in many movies and stuff, but I haven't experienced in person. So I really like this experience. I would like to come again.